Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about golden delicious apples, or sometimes called yellow delicious apples. They originated in West Virginia in the United States, and it is now the official fruit of West Virginia. Despite their name, golden delicious apples are not related to red delicious apples. They're believed to be a cross between a Grimes golden apple and a gold Ranette apple. They were first brought to market in 1914, so they have been around for quite some time. They are among the most commonly found apples in American grocery stores, and they're normally harvested in the autumn through winter months. Regarding their characteristics, golden delicious apples are large and yellow-green in color on their skin. The flesh is white, crisp, and firm. They're mildly sweet, slightly tart, juicy, and aromatic. They taste similar to red delicious apples. Regarding the best uses of golden delicious apples, they're best when they're eaten fresh out of hand or cut up into salads. They can also be cooked down and made into applesauce and apple butter, so they're a great choice for making applesauce or apple butter. You can bake them in desserts. Golden delicious apples pair well with savory foods like cabbage and pork. And because of their mild sweetness, golden delicious apples are often paired with Granny Smith apples in pies. I do hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye for now.